Northridge, Big 5. We opened up the complete trench to fix the pipe, as you can see. And now we're closing everything up. We're going to compact and finish off with concrete. Here's what it looks like from this side. Again, inside the whole Big 5 in Northridge. There we go, some of the dirt went inside. Now we're going to compact a little bit. Here's the compactor to make sure everything is nice and tight. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Again, we are in the store Big 5 in Northridge.
April 19th, 2017, ground construction in Big 5 in Northridge. Open up an area of 3 feet by 20 to do pipe repairs and closed up the concrete.